This is the younger sister in the JAG family. From last year when I was 7, my sister taught me how to use Procreate. And Procreate is a graphics and drawing app for digital painting. First of all, I want to tell you guys that I love drawing and nature and plants and animals. They're all just so adorable. I even allowed myself to get stung by a bee just to see it. So today I want to show you a few of my art projects, and it's about plants and nature, animals, and that animal is a panda because who doesn't like pandas, and a starry night, and yeah, more plants. First, I want to show you guys this starry night drawing. I told you I was drawing a starry night. Okay, so basically first I draw a circle, and then I draw the drips because it looks cool and I love drips. And then I made the background color light blue, and I put clipping mask and drew the moon, the mountains, and I undo the clipping mask a few times so it looks like that. And that's the end of my project. Yeah, it's pretty easy. You could probably do it at home too if you have Procreate. And also you could follow the tutorial with me, and also I followed the tutorial if I forgot to tell you. I could send a link down below if you want to watch it. You could just click on the link and watch it too. And also the next project is a really creepy panda, and you do not need to draw it with me, and I follow the tutorial. Okay, so first I draw its really weird body, and I don't know why it's so fat, even though I followed the tutorial. Yes, I did follow the tutorial again. And then I drew it a couple times because I did not like how it looked, and it had to become a ghost panda for a few seconds. Don't worry, it's not. And then I drew its fur, and it's really weird, and I drew it's very ugly on the side because it is. No judgy. And then I drew the bamboo, and then finally I'm done. But yeah, you could watch it again, even though you might not really like it, and I don't really too bit. But overall, I really like it, and in the tutorial, I don't know why it turned out so good and mine turned out so bad. But overall, I really liked the tutorial, and I have to say something nice to the panda or else it will eat me again. Because, yeah, it did. Okay, the eyes here is so cute. Oh! Why did I make the eyes black when the white was pretty? Anyways, let's draw this plant. Okay, so first I basically, go into the video please. And then I first drew this plant part, and I drew the leaves for it. And I like the leaves itself, but I don't know why I had to put those texture thingies. Now it doesn't look like leaves, but yes, I followed the tutorial again. Don't judge me, please. And also, again, the tutorial looked better than mine, but it doesn't matter because I kind of liked it, even though I don't like it at the same time. And now I'm gonna draw this. So first I drew the plant part, and then I had to redo it a bunch of times because I did not like how it looked, and I drew its shadows, and yes, again, it looked horrible again, and it was also part of a tutorial. And the tutorial once again looked good and better than mine. Great. Okay. But then, it still is pretty good, I guess. And I like this plant much better than the other one because it has these yellow, pollen thingies, I think. Is it called pollen? I think, yeah. And it came out better than the other one, and I'm pretty happy about this one. Well, I still like nature, and it still looks really pretty. Yeah, I like the moon one. I kind of like the panda one, even though it's still really creepy. I still like the pot one and this one, and yeah, so let's get into it. And also, can you put a comment down below and do me a favor and say which one's best? Thank you, and also, yeah, thank you.